Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Yeah. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh, say.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
One God, one station. Yama achen ema wa akwaba eba jumadie so ene anopai ha eye Rainbow Radio International 92.4 FM. Ubetumi anya ye wo Alexa, ubenya ye wo DAB Manchester DAB plus Manchester DAB Tinkins. Twin in so ye wo ho a ekyerese onyame ehye ni din anumunyam na ene anopai. Yede emremu edwumadie adisua sononkun ebebrewo. mesrew se afe na wodi wafidie na to ha ye yemwa se obe share obe like no wa comment ne papa Uncle Ben ena yebedi enkomo from BWF Solicitors na ene anopai no menimu se wasiesi ho ama enkomo a ebekoso esi ani se wuti emra krum woni emra ne tie ade bia wo ye bia eyemra eni nti hye no nso me bagger so papa I want to learn how to drive ena me sen your first step eye yenkoje provisional license ena me ma ono a ekọ net so okotwetwe nioma ono a filiye ono ade bibia ekotu mu wie ode be kire me se no ana no sen ni yemfanko oyeye kama enti se wan famra anya adwuma ebeduru mire bi no emra be kikiro ma me nkoche ya papa na emra no ono no ochiro ase emra no ono ochiro papa me pa cho me ma wachi ema wakwa aba.
Oh, Major, so Bishop, I hope Sano pay oh yeah when you were pam for or Jumu for a denyamia say and pay one my and when you're na yet me a bane yene yabusian for yenianom yadofo e baby dinkomo nti e aseda
Pia o papa why nyina menimu se BW for obia ho ye adwumayefo obia kama
na daro makwa adom obia ho ye
mo yo papa anopa yi ya chia wi fama atiefo na yenhwe se update wo ho a na yenji update no ansa na edwuma na hyehye so.
Well, update wo labor for atro manu asem akoma oheno so the better parliament na day na wo mayen. Well, first of all, niam bebre wo ema me ne wo abusuafo ne adofo ti ye hwe emrana sa leasehold agreement obi wo ho akoto dan a na wakoto flat unya to flat na chese wato lease ti lease no a chese asase ne obi dia now on the afemo it be about 100 years 999 years na ehuna nema abi wo ho a na ne sikasem o de cost solicitor ho a ye ka bebre o to freehold na o to leasehold conveyancing fee no totally different e was so pa enti o so ba be siesie no na emu nsem no sunak e de bi bai sisi ya nso o de bi ba ama no nso abeboa akyɛ sɛ leasehold for no wobɛtumi atɔ anaasɛ mo ownu sɛ mowɔ block of flats a mobɛgye ne nyinaa na mo abɛyɛ biribi te sɛ homeowners association no ma ownu ade ne nyinaa nsɛ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ sɛ yɛde asase no afɛm mo no ebiom sɛ woyɛ tenant na wotu bi fie a ɛfrɛ biribi ɛfrɛ no no fault eviction na no fault eviction no na kyerɛ sɛ landlord no w'anim nyɛ no fɛ koraa a otumi ka sɛ ɛna meyi afiri a na waserve notice ɛno na aban no sɛ daabi ntwa nti no fault eviction no ɔba abɛtwam na ɔwɔ dan a na wopɛ sɛ wɔ evict obi a ɛwɔ sɛ wonya good reason yɛwɔ reasons bi te sɛ nipa no ntua rent wɔ breach covenants anaasɛ conditions of tenancy no ɛno wɔ hɔ but yɛwɔ no fault eviction so na no one say me you a free ha no you know the other one so say with the Soviet Union price control nti o say ye ba behwe na rent no say na be ya ne bo nkosoro dodo nti ye be ma local authority no power a obetimi ya rent control emma price no and say that nkosoro too much na my hwe hu say kola bebre no UK friend be a friend of child poverty. As I say, wahapa dodo na ya because omawofo no ntimi enhwe rent no yie na wontua ntia de kom ane ohaw akola bi kra wo ho a na wabu ada ana say wada wanko school no na wonya free meal bi ndi ti ni nyina no ose oba behwe na waka mu ti ohen aka the other one no nso e wo se ya de tudwa case bi a ye ya say ye be busumini na ukoha obi fie na ntutu wo ho chaka na mold ene niema basabasa nkura ne ntefre ne niema no akola bi a ye frɛ no Ishak awa Ishak owu ya na kyerɛ dem ho no sɛ na ntutuo ne nkuku ne nkaka ne sɛ na nneɛma landlord ne nhwɛ fie ne yie no aban no de ishak awa ishak law eba meka ho asɛm yɛ ho video koraa say know your right as a tenant. Your landlord has a duty to protect you from moldy conditions. I'm say your papa care wate enti ɔsɛ ɔde saa law no ba nti no nso ɔhɛn no aka kyerɛ sɛ yɛ very good. Bishop minim sɛ wohu ya yɛ nua baabi yɛ video baabi ɔte wɔ Croydon na kyerɛ sɛ nyɛ koraa
yeah
me papa koraa sɛ hia kwasi koraa dan biara ni hɔ ɛte saa kyerɛ sɛ wede na ɛnom no ane nneɛma no ayɛ a yɛnuanom bi wɔ hɔ mkɔtena obi fie a ɔsɛ wontumi nsɔ kanea wontumi nsɔ wei wɔde wo koraa wontumi nsɔ ne nyinaa no ɔmo ba abɛyɛ na ɔmo ayi afiri hɔ yɛfa immigration law nso a ɛno nso ɔba abɛyɛ border force bi border force no yɛbɛma ɔmo power nti ɔmo fa nsuo so de ba no ane ɔmo a ɔmo wura kuro no mu a sɛbe ɔmo bi a ɔmo akɔfa boat so ebi kora kaa tae caterpillar deɛ kɛseɛ ne asesɛ ɔmo agum ne de ɔmo fi Algeria Egypt Tunisia Morocco na ɔmo atwa nsuo yi na ɔmo aba dodoɔ na ewu wɔ kwan so nti ɔde new law ba ɛno no bɛyɛ te sɛ terrorism law no nti wonya ɛmfa nipa no ntu nsuo no so koraa yɛbɛtumi akyɛw ne a prosecute yɛfrɛ biribi intention nti wofa criminal law a even preparation wonya nyaade no wo prepare sɛ wɔbɛyɛ no ɛyɛ criminal offense ɛno nso yɛtumi ɛfa ne yɛde akyɛw immigration ya ɔse maka na migration advisory committee ɔbɛma ɔmo ahoɔden kɛseɛ na yɛabɛhwɛ UK ndwuma a yɛhia nkurɔfoɔ occupations a yɛhia nkurɔfoɔ na yɛka mu na kyerɛ sɛ yɛtumi de nkurɔfoɔ afi side aba sɛ yɛwɔ dodoɔ nso a na nkɛkɔ fam last week mekan sɛ adeɛ obiara nhyɛ no nso ɛyɛ building industry kɔ aban no ɛbɛsi dan millions nti yɛbɛhia builders yɛbɛhia construction workers nti ɛno nso yɛ adeɛ a nkurɔfoɔ nhwɛ ne yie immigration bi mu a case bi aba a ɛkɔ court of appeal ɛde aba sɛ home office yɛ mistake anaa wobɛdu border na wo sɛ woba visit na ɔmo yɛ mistake ne yɛde indefinite stamp si wo passport mu a na obiara anya ɔhwee na wonya wura mu a ɛno ano no montumi ngye bio ɛm sɛ saa asɛm wei ɛbaa ma obi a ɔreba no ɔmo maa no visa sɛ yɛama no EU settlement owura mu wie no ɔmo sɛ yɛ mistake ɔmo nim deɛ nti a saa stamp no ɛbaa ne passport ɔmo ana ɔmo de sii mu deɛ besi na ɔmo ntumi nkyerɛ baabi a fra stamp ne firi court no sɛ monya de ama ne awie montumi ngye mfiri ne nsɛm enti ɛno nso ɛyɛ good thing na the other final one a mebɛka ɛyɛ EU ɛno nso court of appeal yɛ de aba sɛ wo maame those days before 2021 na 2022 na wo de wo maame anaa wo papa ɛba anaa wɔ ha na wo gye na tena wo nhia sɛ wo be show dependency ɔmbɛsesa law no enti yɛfrɛ biribi family permit EU settlement family permit ana yɛfrɛ biribi appendix EU ɔmo yɛ two different laws court na kyerɛkyerɛm sɛ indeed ɔmo yɛ two different laws sɛ nipa ne wura mu ha before a saa law no sesa a obetumi atoa so atena sɛ ɔwɔ ha dada nso a obetumi atena so a won show dependency ɛnte saa deɛ a two laws no yɛ different ɛwɔ sɛ show dependency enti bishop ɛm sɛ update a ɛnɛ mɛpɛ sɛ mɛde bɛma adɔfoɔ no no
wow
Rainbow Radio.
Yɛde aburokyiri aba Ghana. Yɛde Ghana akɔ aburokyiri.
yo yeah that's why yegu so toatoa adwene na papa de update abrɛ yɛ no me sɛ ɛna no pa yi update aba no emu yɛ hwam to be honest emu yɛ hwam ɛninti mpaebɔ na yɛde bɛta akyiri sɛ nea ɔba bɛdi ɔman no so sesei no ɔde nneɛma bɛgugu akwan mu na atimi afeva yɛn na yɛn so yɛtumi nya bi de atwitwa yɛn ho mami 1 minute na memra afi meba me ne papa edi nkɔmɔ no bɛhyehyɛ so meba.
This is our world. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors. Let us take care of probate.
Or the Ubeba live and colored. Tune in, Ubenya live. Oko Abe Fontaine Time so www.rainbowradio.com. Na echrese oni etiso bam. With me the UK atwaso. Na echrese enwano no. Anopai yanko papa ho na yankoji adisua emfiri no ho. Na yeko papa ho no ubetimi de wo voice note afa ye WhatsApp line no so edi aba 0777 1950989 tieni yepa ye WhatsApp line no ubetimi de questions afa ho voice note o de fa ho amebo edi ama papa 0777 1950989 na emre so a maybe a telephone line a obefre no na ye de so papa wadaroma anopai edien na ye sua
Yo, Bishop, anopai de say
ebacho papa okasa na mai
ahaba kasanaba
dabi okasa na ma
oh
ebacho
okay
ada ye hwe kasa na mami
technical team yeah
papa kasa na mintie
me kasa sisia
dabi enyamai papa kasa na mintie yes
hello okay
me da say
and a topic no na yehwa emretie ni na nkrofo di abobo say me dan na ebia obi eboa me wo Ghana o hwe me ma o drive me ono na o hwe me maame ono na o hwe me papa o ye cook o ye nanny ti nipa sei me ye dan edenaba into here na topic na say yes how to bring your driver nanny chef to the UK as a domestic worker in a private household. Enti saa nkrofo we no obetimi aduomaba. Into the subject itself no ye can say aban ewo nhihye a ewo ho ema British citizens a omota ko Ghana. British citizens a omote Ghana. Non-British citizens a omota ko Ghana. Non-British citizens a omote Ghana. Se omo betimi ede omo workers aba UK for 6 months. Ama worker no ba oba be ye adwuma. Enti se ye ka se domestic worker in a private household na chere se ye pa chere se onipa na wode no ba no oye domestic worker e wo household. Na law no sani ye ka no ye fra na appendix domestic worker. Appendix overseas domestic worker enti ODW. Sa appendix no ademra bi eba so obi ti se cleaner, chauffeur, and one driver, chef, and one cook. And I say obi a oma personal care and nanny obi ti me di aba. Na requirement na mpese mi bubu ani kakra. First of all, I was say say ni pay why ye adwuma ma o be ye afe. One, why ye adwuma ma o afe minimum ewo Ghana. ana kro na wo nso 2 ɛwɔ sɛ wadi 19 years ɛde kɔ nti obi ɔyɛ below 19 years no wontimi mfa no ma as a domestic worker 3 ɛwɔ sɛ ɔda so ɛyɛ adwuma ama wo 4 ɔte saa property na ɛyɛ wo fie no anaasɛ ɛnyɛ wo fie koraa na ɛyɛ fie a ɔtaa ɛkɔ hɔ mame explain ha yɛn a ɛtea no obi wɔ hɔ a afe no tumi kɔ Ghana bɛyɛ 6 7 8 times ɔkɔ a bosom biara odi bɛyɛ bosom mmienu na waba bosom mmienu na waba enti ɔtaa te Ghana enti ɔdo so ɔyɛ British no ɔtaa te Ghana ana ne fie hɔ nso no wafa cook wafa driver wafa nanny wafa carer saa nkurɔfoɔ no nyinaa no sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ɔmo ba na ɔmbɛto ɔmo adwuma no so wɔ ha a ɛkwan wɔ hɔ sɛ ɔbɛtumi de ɔmo ba but ɛwɔ sɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ saa nipa yi ɔde no bɛyi nipa no te fie hɔ bi anaasɛ ɔnti wo nti fie hɔ a ɛyɛ fie a wotaa use enti mo a mowɔ ha no still na tumi apply ɛma mo ɛnyɛ sɛ wote Ghana nko a ba wotaa kɔ Ghana anaa wotaa use saa efie na ɛno nso boa ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ sure sɛ ɛba no a wode no woba no obedu hɔ a wobetua no at least the minimum wage the minimum wage no yɛwɔ law a guide no minimum wage law 1998 ɔmo by 2015 ɔmo yɛ mu kena every year biara ɔmo yɛ new regulation ɛde increase no enti ne pay no ɛwɔ sɛ at least no ɛyɛ either the minimum wage equal or above 2 ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ sure sɛ wama no employment contractor ɔde ɛreba kurom ha because the contractor ɔde wɔ Ghana no pay no yɛ different ana the contractor ɔde ba ha no pay no ɛyɛ pound minimum wage enti what draft contract no new one a ɔde bɛba ha na wopɛ sɛ wo prove sɛ wayɛ adwuma ama wo for 12 months a ɛyɛ Ghana contract of employment anaa pay slips Ghana contract of employment anaa pay slips ana ɛwɔ sɛ wodi show ɛwɔ sɛ wokyerɛ sɛ wo na wotɔ ne plane fare ama no wotɔ ne ticket ama no ɔba ha nso a obenya baabi atena na didie ne biribiara ɔba a wo na wobɛhwɛ enti yɛfrɛ no adequate maintenance and accommodation sɛ wowɔ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa na wotumi kyerɛ a na wasign home office for ɛwɔ document bi go ɔmo online wafele saa form no ɛyɛ declaration what declare sɛ saa ɔsomasi mede no ɔba ha as overseas domestic worker ɔyɛ adwuma ɛma me na ɔba no yɛba abɛdi busumi nsia ɔbɛkɔ yɛba abɛdi busumi ɛyɛ key sɛ ɔbɛka sɛ mo ba abɛdi busumi nsia na ɔbɛkɔ sɛ wanka mo ba abɛdi busumi nsia na ɔbɛkɔ a anaasɛ less than that a ɔmɛ refuse application sɛ wamma no contract of employment a ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ adwuma wɔ UK bear in mind sɛ contract of employment na ɔbɛyɛ adwuma wɔ UK no contract of employment no home office for ayɛ bi gu online ɔmo wɔ nneɛma ɛwɔ sɛ gum 1 holiday 2 working hours 3 salary 4 pension ne nyinaa gu online a wobɛtumi akɔpɛ enti sɛ yɛhwɛ appendix overseas domestic worker na ɛyɛ very very unique area ɛboa obiara a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ne driver ne nanny ne cook ne carer ne cleaner ɔmo nyinaa no wobɛtumi de ɔmo aba but ɔmbɛba for only 6 months wabɔ wei nyinaa tɔfa no application fee no yɛ £637 ne boɔ nyɛ den ahe biara wayɛ no online ɔmo sɛ bɛtake ɔmo up to 3 weeks na ɔmo ama wo decision na during application process no wobɛ upload nneɛma yɛ amabobɔ din Ghana contract no ebe show sɛ wayɛ adwuma ma 12 months the pay slips and the bank statement ebe show sɛ wayɛ adwuma ma 12 months UK contract ebe show sɛ ɔba bɛyɛ adwuma ma wɔ ha a wobɛtua no a minimum wage. Mr. So we need sky with the BTS between the year. I don't see a problem. Because when I was say or baby this 6 months, yes, you need a minimum wage. A week, one take it crown over £200. A month, a year could be £1,000. Nti ɛwɔ sɛ wɔkyerɛ sɛ 6 months na mo ba abɛdi no sɛ sika no wɔ account mu a wobɛtumi de atua no saa pay no so woyɛ wei nyinaa wie a ɛyɛ very very easy application to make mo a mobɛtumi ayɛ mo application but ɛyɛ also key sɛ woyɛ saa application wei a wobɛyɛ sure sɛ documents no nyinaa including home office guidance na mowɔ no mo sɛ print ɛno nafa ka ho no wayɛ ne nyinaa sɛ wotumi yɛ deɛ a ɛneɛ ɔmaka sɛ within 3 weeks no ɔmde bɛma enti ɛnyɛ obi a ɔte Ghana nko a wote ha na wotaa kɔ Ghana ɔmo sɛ regularly stay wotaa kɔ Ghana wobɛtumi ayɛ na wode saa nipa yɛ aba enti Bishop mɛto ama wo na ɛneɛ question bi wɔ hɔ a ne mɛbooboo ani ama yɛ nyinaa
Papa was a conversation with new. Wow. Okay, Papa, yan trying say na yemfa free ha. And inti I was say who ye application would the bank statement that say I have enough money to pay this person for the next 6 months. I baby di wahano and I say Oman ebeko bank ako cheki ahuni so ampa nipa yi e was so and so amount of money enti will qualify na ye di amano. How do we prepare the documents?
Okay, Bishop, document na woyɛ no yɛwɔ bi a ɔmode agu ɔmo website so.
Okay.
2. Saa document na yɛde agu website no. Ebi ɛyɛ adeɛ a waa wobɛtumi create. Ebi te sɛ proof anaasɛ statement of bank statement of the period a ɔba bɛdi no. Sika a wohwɛ sɛ wobɛsrɛ no saa bank statement no wo na ɛwɔ sɛ wode kyerɛ wo a woyɛ employer na wa complete form bi yɛfrɛ no appendix domestic worker statement ɛno egu home office website wode key wode gu mu domestic worker ɛbɛyi aba the other part no ɛnso ne sɛ saa nipa wei no wayɛ adwuma ama wo ɛnyɛ sɛ wayɛ adwuma ama wo ɛwɔ sɛ wayɛ adwuma ama wo for at least 1 year ɛwɔ sɛ wonya ne pay slips confirmation of tax a watua sɛ deɛ wotua health insurance a contract of employment deɛ mekan ni emu baako pɛ na wohia ɛnyɛ ne nyinaa nti pay slips anaa bank statement that show the salary ɛyɛ 1 tax a watua ɛyɛ 1 contract of employment ɛyɛ 1 sa wowɔ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa wode kyerɛ a ɛno na ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ wayɛ adwuma ama wo for at least 1 year ɛno yɛ historical but future no ɛyɛ wo na gyina wo so o bank statement domestic worker statement ɛno ɛyɛ ade bi a home office draft a wɔbɛsign na wɔde ayɛ sɛ ɔba a wɔbɛdi only 6 months ɛne wo bank statement kyerɛ sɛ wobɛtumi ahwɛ no ɛwɔ kurom ha ɛnyɛ sɛ wodwa w'anum na waka sɛ ɔba a metua no minimum wage ɛwɔ sɛ wo show with a bank statement sɛ ɔba a wobɛtumi atua no minimum wage.
Wow. Papa, the question here, ansana medimedie abetwa so. Anopai obidi aba or say, please ask Uncle Ben for me. What are the requirements for indefinite settlement? If you are on the 10 years route, please, we are a family of 4. Can we apply for the indefinite settlement as individual or apply together?
Your bishop, I'm say the requirements, first of all, will be in a different application. And individuals now apply. That is the first step. The second step, I will say we fee 2,885. I ready. The third step, you will near my was the count. I will say 10 years from date, I am our first leave to remain. The fourth one, I will say we are sure, sir, why we are between 18 and 65. Why our English language and our life in UK. A very key. Why you know reason tia I the ma 2.5, 4 times no. I was say reason no that's all. It will bow letter, supporting letter na. I was say we state requirements in nyina. Now what they come. Nature say even at the date I will apply for indefinite leave. No. Reason tia I the ma no that's all. But a very key thing no suitability requirement ewo. Ubetia 2,885 ewo. English and life in UK, we are between 18 and 65. I was saying so the chair.
All right. Menua, where there was ma. Papa, obi so aye mistake wa ha. And inti obisa say, ediena obetimi ayo say, hello, Prophet and Uncle Ben. What must I do if I have made mistake in spouse application for which has been submitted a couple of days ago? Thank you. Inti edien ena obetimi aye wa mistake. Inti edien obetimi aye.
Bishop, a general mistake, one can mistake in our
No, correct.
So why a mistake? Say a wrong form no failure, right form na fako. Say well, who try be no mistake? Obetimi a letter or upload documents na what the account. And to me try a mistake na you bet try a solution.
Asema enkame ba beka no say okaswa ye mistake dia mistake dia yentimi nhunu mistake kura waye enti menua se utie me opa obetimi aye voice note e dia ba anase obetro nia opese papa ekirikiri mu no na wode aba na ye gina ha no me bisa papa e de ama wo say papa say obetumi e de o driver wo cook Afri Ghana aba na I was say o make sure say onipa a wode na eba no oni na ye adwuma 1 year oni na ye adwuma 1 year and over na won so no uye obi a wota akokọ Ghana na mema question apia ho ebi a wode no once in a year na wokọ once in a year na wokọ enti I was say wo recourse a wode akokọ Ghana atoato aso no e prove say ampa okọ a enipa wei na oye aduane ma na sa space na wanko Ghana no what do you put in there and I say emfa because papa ekasa no waka say oh bia every 2 months and every month oh wokọ Ghana no wakodi 1 year 1 month and also wokọ Ghana no wakodi 3 weeks me pese papa clarify ho my papa enti say bia me kọ Ghana once in a year me kodi 1 month most people me kodi 1 month me wo cook wo ho enti sa cook no ono so qualify me wo house help ho sa house help no or qualify say me kọ Ghana once in a year na aha na meti mo no me fee say me pese me kofa me cook na me driver no free Ghana ba na me ne be ye adwuma wa ha. What is my stand?
Oh, Bishop, it's a almost a word almost say regularly or consistently. Enti nipa no fie na wo tena mu no e wo se wo sa nipa na wo ye employer no wo tena sa fie nim regularly or consistently. Regularly or consistently ni kire se wo ta atenam enti wo ta akọ Ghana na kire se okọ once a year there be we no nyama but another trick enti wo ma na ti fie. Yeah.
Eno dia e baba fie.
Uba mena tifi ho a. Uba pa na tifi ho a. Na wo invite wo papa aba. Ana wo invite wo maame a. Nipa na o so ne pon anim no. Ono aduane ma no no. Otwi ne kaa no. Wo wafa no. Oye wo maame ho adwuma. Enti oye wo maame employee. Wo maame ne natena 2-3 years. Mu will prove say o maame tua ne ka, o papa tua ne ka. Nti list na me my pay slip, bank statement, contract of employment, proof of paying tax. When you move back on. O maame ba no, obetimi de say nipa na ba. Mesrɛ mo, o mo ba e wo so mu tu kwan bom. Ana sɛ ne yere ene ne tu kwan bom. Ana sɛ ɛba a wo fie hɔ ne ne tu kwan bom. Into the employer, the employer's spouse, or the employer's child, and I was sending it to Kwan Boom. So, Mubedu ana what the Omamena, and you say, or done in a chiako. Then you pay so 6 months. And ya mummy and one share, but the American say, one Tigana crana, now ma maybe or papa or Nanny pay no henwa. Once I will prove somewhere much Yanaka for 6 months. O my may bar, obetimin and abba. Sabi o ma meba, now a wow for fro. Na ɔhwɛ wo maame ba ɔgyegye wo ba kakrakra sɛ deɛ ne nyinaa ɛyɛ pɛ ne ntina mɛka sɛ trick wɔ
Yemisa amanfo sɛ ɛha ɛyɛ he ɛna amama direction.
Oh my God, I love Rainbow Radio. Many colors, many voices, one God, one station.
Na ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛha yɛ Rainbow Radio ampa. Enti papa kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ many colors ɔsɛ many route wɔ hɔ. One station ɛyɛ fem baako pɛ. Ɛna security no wa yɛbɛtumi ɛde nneɛma agugu akwan ama wo na wo nso watumi abehu ekwan a wobɛfa so a wobɛfa wabusiafoɔ no anaasɛ wo help no ɛde naba enti hyɛ no nso ma me sɛ yɛne BWF Solicitors ɛna ɛdi nkɔmmɔ opɛ mu nankasa mefrɛ no papa 1 Uncle Ben ɛna nda no pɛ yi obiebie nneɛma ni so ɛkyerɛ yɛn na mepɛ sɛ mema wakwan gya so pese wa wo ba so menim say amanfo send message bebre mpacho montomo bo asema me mekenkan ama wa odi voice note na ba no mebo ne sisi ya after this question wo de ne beba na on bisa papa say ebia asem bi ehawo eye nkrata asem awaresem ade biara eye mmara ane yadi die no o pese odi beta papa ene anopa ya eye 0208 133 4646 and that's 0208 133 1134 me pacho aha yesua de masema me kan say ye wo question bi wo ho a ye fira no ntoma so wo fi se entoma no wuntumi mfiri a me pacho fa telephone number book appointment na ko na one papa enkotena ase ne ewo mu bia obeka ho asem akyerew why ko na one papa enkotena ase nsem ni bi wo a me kan wa ha mesrew mo me yemfa enidie ema won wa o ma sei mmere eba be kyere yade no ena o matimi ni yakasa ama yakoma ato yeyem epacho 0208 133 4646 and that's 0208 133 1134 papa obi say I have been in the UK for almost a year now on the care route. My company's sponsor license was revoked, okay, in April, yet I have not been notified from home office and my right to work remains active. My question is in this case, I get a new sponsorship. Will this be an issue since the company license was cancelled and I remain active? Okay, and I remain active. Thank you, Papa. Indi was say me bono tofa so onya switch, you know, and also onya new sponsorship. Once first one na ye didn't abano a cancel no obenya problem ana den and was way.
Well, say first of all, no, a jumana or ye jumama omono, or say ya GM license since April.
Yeah.
Ne or checking a right to work na share code no that's so yeah juma, which means
Active.
almost try and visa name. Na Busumi ya well in fact this week ya omo a revoke omo license no bi mo wo ho ama ko age omo license na ma omo back. It depending on reason how much revoke we. Reasons ni bi wo ho a broni beka 10 years. Just amodin ni. Nti ba ku bi anra me ya omo the first letter by Monday. Nra omo the second letter omo apologize. Say your mistake no omo the etwa license ni. But one say omo gu nanim ase because omo a oni omo ye adwuma ni nyina no. Na che say akoye problems sia. But yen chade ye the amano back. Nti obi wo ho a ye ge license na still no or say obege license no back. Nti e bia why pre-action protocol e bia we no court. But wo no we who say ya ge license no. I was say when I would decide bishop. I was say when I would decide the obey. So obe two and I'm bi and I'll be taking risk and what now because say almost gino now more for straw or only 60 days. 60 days and so no say wouldn't email or be no be communicate here. Na ebia or want we want no metwem. And you will say we decide. But yes, obi why general license still umutimi kon near the license na man back.
Okay. Menua, ochia me oni masem ka. Ochia me anim asem ka. Ose wa wasoma me ni se utie ye papa. Hello, me pa cho me ma wachi ema wakwa aba eba dwumadi so.
Hello, Uncle Ben, good morning. Good morning.
Morning, ma.
Yeah. Me pacho me ye friend here. Na some kitu ebi na person bisa Uncle Ben. No, me should say the right way to go ana. Me pacho me were indefinite, but me kune de me baha. Ena ye den. Our any say ena me indefinite. But my uncle school na me were ba abemu aka me ho. Akwala na some of them pa ntino. Me beshia bribe. Ono no akọ school nso no obo no me nkrata sem akwara ni hospital sem ni bibia but oni nioma se fi ano ai so mo pese mo de me kofie na me bi faster bibi wo ha me ne ba no betimi aya abo na because ono na obo ya brabo e ma no koso wa na ye fa me nkrata sem ho fa me se yenko Philip from school yenko bibia ono no ye ma no so na me se ni bi Uncle Ben so bibi wo ha betimi aya ma me.
You mama papa you ano nka me bisa se me ba ma hold ma se papa wadaro ma.
Oye ma mbacho oye wo dofo ana wo ne hihye ho oye wo mpena ana bishop say
Papa say me wa bi say papa say
mbacho mwatwe mpena mfi ahene
Yeah, say almost 8 months me.
Okay, na oni na tifie.
For now, the oba about me be spending more time with her, but I will be na your oba.
Okay, the tene say ontimi ngina wo ba no nko aso se wo de gi asetena. Ba obetimi agina wo ba no so se ne mpena ana na yire ne wo. Enti ugina wo ba na ono wo hwe no so. Mra wo ho a e ma ho kwan. Na mpena no wo se nka mwatwe mpena no mfie mienu. Ba aware de ma ware da krokra obetimi agina so. Ana aware ne bi wo ho a ye gi fie de eba krata customary marriage ne bi.
Me pacho and then to me aka say ya twin prince you know because me opema sempa na me chese or kwa me ne ba ni nim de betumi aye.
Enti omo be check infoni text messages WhatsApp and nema omo yi first na nka wo so one watena ba ye yi one watena na frame but still na wo say wo prove nti wo na wo say wo prove say watwe mpena mfie mienu so wo bibia wo de be kire de a ene wo betimi aye no wagina wo so mpena no wagina wo ba no so mpena ba
papa we dia me pa chewo papa we dia me pa chewo sister yase me ra ho kakra ama no mesrew we die omra no mehunu me yura ko kakra ma no menim sane a wo fasika wonsem menim sane a wo ye wonnuoma na ono nso wahu wabɔ point bi so ba point ni mpɛsɛ ye bekeka na yakɔ deep enti mesrɛ wo sɛ womra we die me ana me buku appointment amane sisi ya
Me pacho you.
papa we me ana me buku appointment amane sisi ya me nua ba
Papa.
me pacho tie manum asem as a bishop from the statement that papa make you know possible enti ko papa ho
Pacho you. Why? Me pacho you.
Ko papa ho sese ya me ne o kasa wi to America ko papa ho wo de wan frɛ kura me se ko ukoduru a ka kire receptionist ni say wo ne papa e kasa radio so ɛna bishop say wabuku appointment amount eninti waba wati an ko sese ya ukoduru a wo se ye bisa so appointment a wo se an ye se hwan na buku appointment wo se bishop sing wabuku appointment amami eniti memra mehunu papa why ko sese ya me frɛ medical ya frɛ ansa na waduru ho why
me pacho you
ko sese ya memra why ko possible nyame nhyiraw bye bye ai me pacho nsɛm ni bi wɔ hɔ a sane medical aka no ɛwɔ se yɛfira no ntoma nneɛma ani da hɔ na kama me nua ba onyame nhyiraw bye bye yentie voice note.
Good morning, Bishop, any lawyer. I'm Chon Pesemi Bisa Assembly. But a domestic worker said you buy as a domestic worker. A word diplomatic household now. But you yet ka anan. If the answer is yes, sir, you bet you ka a woo account to. Ana nipakuno do buy as a domestic worker. Onu na ebe chal kan agwo onu na account no di amawana nche mi da sipa na mi shram na dwuma pa mu ye bye bye
emo papa me pacho wati ye nia bai asemu ya o se ye di oba as a diplomatic service in a domestic work na yetua woka na se yetua woka no egu wa account mu direct ana se oni awo ye adwuma no ma no na wo se yetua woka no egu na account mu ena onu atua woka se meti ase insisie bi ya baba bi papa wadaroma
Bishop, diplomatic domestic workers adwuma ya fiti be 1998 ho ye boa mission no enti obia o domestic worker bia pay no call on one account because our employment contract one of the requirements is our employment contract enti once you do waba no o ye adwuma ma sa nipa no and then some of the benefits are omo a ye transfer omo ba ha no omo go nti oba or the domestic worker ba nti wo account num na ekọ nti mra bia ni ho a kire se wo se call account fofo bia
ene menu aba sania papa apasi abie eja no afa no wo account mu na wo se call direct wo se ekofa ba bia eno nti me di papa number ebetu dwa pre papa na book appointment sania menu aba no esima no pay akon na kofa winsim ni to pay won hwe kwan obetimi afasto e di aboa. Hello me ba cho me ma wache e ma wakwa aba ebadwumadi no so
yeah Bishop Uncle Ben Pacho, good morning. Mr. Pacho, person bisa say we have application for fee waiver. Not omo responding with the friend reference number. Now omoma kwenyama wo download the upload the document na. The Pacho next step you mo ha was high. Because omo acknowledgement of the reference number no church or say ukobo wonsano but letter paper in the post or by email na wakwa kobo wonsano after that me pacho bibi fu problem wo ho and I said dia omo de ma wo the generate reference number. No. That's it. That's a who train and you will respond for the application and Mr. Question.
Yo, ain't say we a fee waiver or mobile decision. Decision either yes or no. And yes and no. Yes or no, no. Your mouth yes, sir. Just say the amount. Your mouth immigration fee waiver. Your mouth IHS fee waiver. You can say yes and no. Your mouth immigration fee waiver IHS your mouth fee waiver. And I am out IHS fee waiver immigration your mouth fee waiver. The letter beba letter no code be also. Udini send out spell the call and I go paper no so no sana was say no. What is shame now your application? Why your application? Okọbọ nsa obi amani fee waiver bia okọbọ nsa ombema obetimi age voucher na voucher no ene na wo de befo ka akọ okọbọ nsa wi a eno anu no na wo twen wo decision it is why steps where you use code no why your application why upload documents wakọbọ nsa o twen wo your application no omo the email be braille 1212-001 and 1212-011 na it was so sa eno na or reference number eno na chese why application
Mpacho me da sepa. Na Mr. Wenidi mpacho fee waiver and say how long it take even though almost say minimum say any limit. But me person me who say after 3 months no obetimi a contact bisa say e be a update and abisa.
well obetimi a contact omo need service standard say yakase so home office need service standard and not just a time in ho averagely no it take about 8 months enti by bi wo ho a na say ba could be a year it did 3 months it be so 4 months 5 months it be correct me 2 months it depends. So the bia meka say we application I was say the right evidence no call or bank statement no item be also a unusual and a large sum any amount be over £100 no for paper ne pen and for word processor na explain it or bank statement to for normally in 3 months by the 6 months na 6 months no item be also over £100 be no I was so explain it say we made it we made it call West Green Road we me say sky we free her we a gift we a juma we say because no afa no akotena se access but say we ni nyina ama na juma no ye easier obetimi aye decision ntema ma why
Mpacho me da sepa nyamisha.
I hope some trauma after 3 months obetimi a trauma why
Me da se Uncle Ben.
good luck.
I say, Omoko akoye sa niema we nyina de abade a ene ebeboro 3 months no why enti hwe na koye bibia na bibia nko krigin me pa cho me fa nipa mienu miensa bi nka ho na afi yemu ngunwa anopa yi onso ubetumi abaline no so na woni papa abetwetwe nkomo na ne wo se ubisa papa bia wabisa na bibia ko wano 0208 1334646 and as 0208 1331134. Opesa with your voice note efa your WhatsApp line also eba. And I say with the WhatsApp message eba. Met me I can kind the ama papa. Sanya ebin modika abayom dieno. 0777 1950989 0777 1950989. No pay yedin komo. Mepacho mema watching ema wakwaba eba yedisuen so anopai.
Meje also Bishop ne Uncle Ben me did say mo ye.
Ye hu ye papa.
Uncle Ben me pacho visa no. So kuta resident permit. Unya wo Katano and British law. Ubetimi de Ghana passport no. Aye uyi visa na Uncle.
Well, sir, wukuta EU or Ghana passport no ubetimi de BA account no link no. For now no linking wo ID document to account no we use app no generate QR code and answer a link. I don't know how the link no your passport no nye machine readable but not biometric. Ti any chip embedded. But uko account ni ma or can update your documents. Meaning say eventually no because ya chro mo aka chro. Omo the link, omo the way beba obetime de just the passport number shit. I am person verify what ID document no. At the moment no Ghana passport no ntimi nye. But ultimately de say under EU settled status no. Ultimately de Ghana passport here. Enti eventually no possible so obetime de Ghana passport. But for now no dear linking your e-visa to your account no Ghana passport ntimi a biometric card nko. And intina oh yeah e-visa omoje biometric card nko ana omoje no. And I say a passport I will say a chip embedded passport.
But uncle follow up. I mean, I will say you for no any can say you create visa because you already got it. Now say ubi your account na UKVI account na your day a passport I log in no. And no your visa na uncle.
Yes, mo e-visa no saa na tie. Die udi bia nti wokɔ wo account ni ma wobɛhu sɛ wo photo wɔ hɔ wasetena wɔ hɔ ɛno ne wo mo e-visa no nti mo start create yɛ na kyɛ nti mo de Ghana passport no wobie account na de Ghana passport no na bie na wasend no text message ana email wode code no hyɛ ma na wabie mu ama nti mo ni problem sankasa na e-visa nankasa te a nka yeso Ghana for you ni problem but e-visa for Ghana for no I was say what the app we use UKVI ID check app no what they ready wo ID document no be sure say eventually be on to say EU dear no na very easy but for now no dear Ghana passport no EU for abusuafo nko an etimi ye omo application no online na eno na wo ho a ne na di bi ma omo wobetimi de Ghana passport ebie UKVI account but wontimi for ID check na connect with ID to e-visa no Ghana passport ntimi nye.
Into the minion or more Edian intimate said they are working. From next year, no, a better no much me Apple fee at Aba, and how much Apple international travel at Aba. Are there intimate?
Enti obi a waha bi ha only biometric residence card no na kyerɛ sɛ wontimi nyɛ but wowɔ biometric residence card a ɔmutimi yɛ may hope sɛ between now and December no ɔmo de foforɔ bɛba because technical problems bebree wɔ ho mayɛ test bebree nkurɔfoɔ de ɔmo last 3 weeks make us say wo a pɛ sɛ woyɛ wo e-visa account no ba yɛbɛyɛ ama wo you don't even need to book appointment just walk in yɛbɛyɛ ama wo it takes only about 10 minutes nkurɔfoɔ bi de ɔmo deɛ bae before na ntimi enredi anka ɛse enredi but me a skip no na details no nyinaa bɛgu before no so which means say enredi by a catch them is enredi ntimitimi yɛ scanning ɔmo anim twa ɔmo anim picture ebie ɔmo e-visa account no but ɔmo fa e-visa no ngu so ana ɔmo agye ɔmo email ti wo pɛ sɛ wobie e-visa na wonyɛ EU ni ana EU ni abusuani a wohia BRC ana BRP wonni a wontimi nyɛ.
And I foresee the next year a bayer it be expensive for 1 year. Because of technical things, yeah, experience, you know.
Ye hope sɛ ɔmo correcting nyinaa before December.
Right, Uncle Medasi, let's throw you know that.
Mate. Bye.
Emo Fred Uncle Anyumre na yentoa so ewo ho. Papa emi sɛ obi a ɔde voice note no ɛbaeɛ no mesrɛ we no ɛwɔ sɛ uhu papa na one papa edi enkomo say I have not got any pay still I since okay since I start working with him. Okay. Nti okyerɛ sɛ since or started any omoye adwuma no. We ye about domestic worker under diplomatic service. Or say wonya kitua papa nti ebia ho no wobɛbɔ 1 or 2 points bi so a ɛbɛma na hu sɛ wo sɛ oba no bi hu wonya kitua nti papa sɛ deɛ no wonye.
Well, sir, we are Juma Maubi, we UK, Nanny Panin Chiaoka, a breach, a withholding of lawful income. And you wait me at the NACO court. I was saying Panin Chiaoka. I was so finding out the Tia or Muntiaoka. And my name is a man of Fred first, and I was on the way about there. But I was so Muntiaoka.
Your voice note no buy no, or no,
Yeah.
Aba.
And yeah, on beside me into Muntianakai. Because nipa na oyɛ domestic worker ama nyɛ ɔno na otua wo ka ɛka tua no ɛwɔ baabi efi mempɛ sɛ mɛka ho asɛm too much but woyɛ adwuma wɔ kurom ha wɔ sɛ yɛtua wo ka nti yɛntua wo ka bisa deɛ nti a yɛntua wo ka.
Papa abibifoɔ paa deɛ yɛ nkɔsi abuofuo ebinom mefa ne saa ebinom well minia wɔn nso wasɛm no ama yorɔ ho akyekyere makoma saa na tio ɛne nti mesrɛw minua na ma fa wo no gina so ma me fa wo pen na fa wo paper me bɔ papa no address papa no telephone number papa no achi na muntu America ne yenkɔbɔ ɔmo punu anopa enu nti ɛne ye wa ha sɛ ye bɛboa mo a sebi obi pɛsɛ obu mo kwasea na emre no mu nso nti ye tietia wo fa ho die so na yɛtwitwam ɛde agyew ɛne BWF Solicitors yɛne wo prefer community lawyers baako pɛ o hwehwɛ yɛkyiri kwan a yɛwɔ 4th floor Anna House 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters Landing N15 4NP me pacho your address no so mame embo o de beto ha mame sa ne mani age NNT BWF Solicitors your 4th floor of Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters me pacho a landing N15 4NP o frɛ office line no say ya no book appointment enti fa open ana me buboi fa phone na jiguso 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 na o frɛ emergency number no sɛ ebia wo ho aka dwam obi atwitwaje se ya ye ne wo kasa yi ana wo ba ya stop o you say do you have a lawyer me pacho men can no can yes I have a lawyer o frɛ ya in 10 ye ne o mekasa ne atwitwaje anything na ye emergency 077 127 61884 077 127 61884 me pacho fa BWF Solicitors etwan ana say tro Uncle Ben na fa twan enwan no ofra ye ba bitutwaje why me pacho me ma wachi e ma wakwa ba e ba dwumadi so
me jawo prefer na papa za me tiana bibre na adwuma pa
papa tinye nyina ma hu so obo ni tigu sa
na lawyer number 1 Uncle Ben de yanhia na nka nka abo bi ati bibre ari okrom ha
me na me sewo
education is far reaching so it's to tap Uncle Ben da si bibre
amen
we dey me ka coaching ma friends and madam for the na and watching kakra akode kakra on the bank na juma so say na on the bank for a discussion now almost okay or more referring money charity to some contact you more now charity for bit me aboana and to charity for an assessment and almost your on person on the bank for a payment arrangement and then all the debtors now in the course of discussion now or catch almost so or fear say a banner records and a bear bankruptcy now pursuing nationality and nationality was a befit into a very on pay means be obit I can answer on to so very nationality navy. Also means be obit me says kind of for now. And the worry say that say or go ahead your payment arrangement in or young national befit in an answer and fetino. And I see maybe some and out.
Yo, Papa, what are Roma?
Well, Bishop, first of all, medase ne abasodia or bomeno. First of all, say obi a nationality. The fact that what they cannot hear reason ye de a refusal nationality. Nationality no almost be a friend of character. Na character no say what did I can't be brave, be out the wake a bit me affect you. However, so we share guidance notes now. Bankruptcy, undischarged bankruptcy, a bit may affect you. But so would you be now when I arrangement submit to your sikana? I know your reason I affect your nationality. But say a persistent debtor, wakoje, wait to say we could to TV crowd to be free. Maybe a wako car went to ya, wako to a dear online went to ya, or rent went to ya, or council tax went to ya. Now what did the akabe bray? None in our record so I don't ever affect you. But say one of when you do bika, it doesn't matter what the amount is. Yeah, bankrupt in kwa na private discussion, say more arrangement, and yet voluntary arrangement. But more arrangements are. Then any idea was affect you. Already guidance now very, very clear on it.
Let me that's no way.
You need us about him.
Yada see. Memfa we entwa to na afi yenkofa poto kasa na emewuram na yedi dwumadi ni nyina aba awiye. Papa also please, I wanted to ask. Oh, you wanted to ask me. I wanted to ask if my sponsor for ILR application in September is on maternity. Okay. Maternity, but will work for her company. Me bacho asemna wo kan me share dan tiase. So be your voice note about it will help me a lot. Or say still work for her company for more than 3 years and earns over 1,000 or earns over 18,000 annually. And she started her maternity in March 2024. How do I show that she meets the financial requirement whilst she is on maternity leave? And what do I need to include in the employer letter? Any advice to questions would be much appreciated. Okay, say meti wasemunasia ubia onenabano wawo into your maternity na still no we juma for the company for more than 3 years. Why juma for the company for more than 3 years? O and over 18,000. Okay, over 18,000 specific because it says car we here to that, you know. Papa be rich in but me pacho we are specific ebeboa. Papa me pacho what in the question I say?
Matthias pa.
Okay, yo, me da say. Any one.
Okay. And our old style 18,600 and so.
Yeah.
Nipa na oye adwuma no. Our maternity pay usually aya bafom. Also starting maternity April. You June, sorry, you July. Until ebi bafom kakra. But a household income, maternity pay back counted towards the 18.6. It was still when you're 18.6. Into who income and on no income and I'm boom. So more shortfall, then it causes problem, but you can always explain. But maternity pay accounted towards the 18.6. I was saying 18.6.
And nti ɛna me say ɔka say 18 and over and also yes specific say 18 that 18 this then and no amount grants to tell him what to do and me pacho me pacho fa number no me pacho fa number no to ama me da say fa number no na frɛ papa na fa details no ebra yiye papa or say and he's due for ILR in September. And the time no very close. Into me pacho Fred 0208 493 7340. Na book appointment na kuhunu papa 0208 493 7340. Emergency no 077 127 61884. Me pacho address no 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, Seven Sisters. Say me pacho upye free Seven Sisters 2 station where we here exit 2. Say we here pay free exit 2 no more dia no way so beira. No, won't mean rather because upye free exit 2 no more pepe. A diner is si wanimu no. Exit 2 diner is si wanimu no. Sa dan mu na obewura. Entu de upie free exit 2 a pini dan ho na hwɛ entroye na yatro wo dan ho na obehu sɛ yatro BWF Solicitors. Ha na pia door no security guy no etie anim ho. Wo sɛ o kɔ Uncle Ben ho. Oh, me na me kan kyerɛ. Wo bewura ho easy kura. Enti mo a mo di train, mo de buses na eba no. Wo di train no ebesi Seven Sisters tube station where hwehwɛ exit 2 na pie fa ho upie fa ho a no cough no bend na o de car na eba nso a postcode no N15 4NP de bia na meka say Tesco car park ho no you want 90 minutes free parking for you 90 minutes free parking for you and inti udru area ho a bisa obi a say o ko Tesco car park ye be kire easy kura. Na Tesco car park no upia free car park ho aba se wonam apia free Tesco car park ho no building na esi wanim across the road no e ho ni office no entinya dia wo beyira upia free car park ho aba building na esi wanim across the road no cross first street second street building na esi wanim no ho ana wo enti no curve no pain anopai onyame enhyira wo say woni ye asom abesi ha ye kofa poto kasa na ediaba ye ba ye besere kwan na ye jawa ha nyame nhyira ye kofa poto kasa na mra anopai Pamela obi se kan frɛ Pamela maye
Good.
Pamela bro na ye ready
Good
anopai
morning.
Pamela lawyer Pamela, God bless you.
Good morning, Bishop.
Morning, my dear.
Good morning to our lovely, lovely viewers. I hope we're all doing well. So today's topic is how to bring your driver, nanny, and chefs to the UK as a domestic worker. So, to be able to bring your domestic worker from Ghana to the UK to work for you, you have to be someone who regularly or consistently stays in Ghana. This means you do not necessarily have to be permanently living in Ghana, but you have to be regularly there. So, you can be in the UK, but you have to be regularly or consistently staying in Ghana. The rules or using your house in Ghana. So the rules for bringing an overseas domestic worker are: one, the person you are bringing must be at least 19 or over 19 at the date of the application. The person should have also been working for you for a period of at least 12 months or more. And to be able to prove that the person has been working for you for 12 months or more, you can provide an employment contract, bank statements, or pay slips. You have to provide at least one of these documents. You could provide more than one, but you can provide one document to prove the person has been working for you for at least 12 months or more. The second thing is the person should have an employment contract to work in the UK. This means you have to give the person an employment contract. It does not matter if the person has an employment contract for the work they do for you in Ghana. You would have to give them a new one for the work they come to do for you in the UK. And the employment contract can be found on Home Office's website. So you could go and search it up and use that to draft the employment contract. The third one is you, the employer, must prove that you intend to pay the employee at the national minimum wage, at least the national minimum wage, or more than that throughout their period of employment. The national minimum wage is revised or reviewed every year, and so at the time of the employment or at the time of the application, make sure you know the national minimum wage and intend to pay your employee that, and you have to prove that you intend to pay your employee the national minimum wage throughout their period of employment. You should also prove that you intend to pay the plain fare for your employee and provide your employee with accommodation throughout their period of employment. There's also a declaration which will have to be which will have to be signed, which can be found on the Home Office's website under Appendix Domestic Worker Statement. This declaration, you'd have to state that your employee will be in the UK for a period of at least 6 months or less. If you don't state this, the application will be refused. So it's important to know that your employee can only come to the UK as an overseas domestic worker for a period of 6 months or less. You would also have to prove that you have enough funds in your bank account to pay your employee and to provide your employee with accommodation during their period of employment. You can use your bank statements to prove this. The application fee for an overseas domestic worker is £637, and it will take at least 3 weeks after the biometric appointment has been done to get a decision. If you submit all the necessary documents, this is a very, very easy application, and the likelihood of it being allowed is very high. So I hope this helps. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lawyer Pamela, for your great assistance. Atiefo nyame inshram sania Lawyer Pamela so edibrofo no abegu fom no eno a na waye no na me bisa papa question bi ama na afin ordinary asem ni nyina abawie or say intention to pay the person the minimum wage, intention to pay the person the minimum wage. And no, me bisa papa say and no just the presentation of the documents, and I say you negotiate many nipa negotiate na ni payment about for my no the is up to me, but for the documentation purposes it was something me prove sir. Papa say sir.
But you Bishop, I don't know. Obi a friend and Sankari pay no.
Papa say no na me bisa say you senia ekosia na yakunu ikwanya ya de mra no elefa.
Yes, I also tier minimum wage.
Okay.
So because minimum wage, see, I think say £14, baby. 80. Also tier a week, 38-hour week, it's over £400. And you will find out a month, it's about 1,800 and baby. Also tier. What the shame once out there shame a contract, and also with this one.
Papa, me da say. Me mpese obi betena se no afa black man common sense so. Oh, my main forgery paper bin min ko yese because eba papa ye de omo de ba ye de omo kokot. Eba de ye de omo kokot. Ye kan with them ba ye de omo kokot.
No, sanity.
Me da say. Papa me patcho fu enu ma se me twa to ma ye ne enko.
No, and I know as I don't pay first of all, you don't say, sir. motimi abeka ya ho na we ye sheda de ba because I am crofo die bobo ana mpese me maame ba ne me nua ba ana se me nua ba di ba mpese obi be boa me ekwan ni obetimi de wo maame na nipa ohwa wo maame no de na ba especially se we obi a wote ha once a wo maame ne nipa na tena be 1 year or will prove so wetua ne cap for at least 12 months no or wo maame ba obetimi de ne ho aka no aba oba sɛ motifie baako no awo no ɔboa wo ana ɔde wo ba akɔ ɛne ɛmfa biara ho anaasɛ obi hwɛ wo papa wɔ Ghana wopɛ sɛ wo papa ba wo papa ba obetumi de ne maid anaa ne driver aba anaa ne nanny anaa carer ɔba na nea obɛsɛ mu wɔ kitchen a ɛne ɛmfa biara ho obetumi de n'aba but ɛno ansɛm bɛdi nhyehyɛeɛ no so wobɛma no pay slip bank statement wobɛma no contract of employment ɔba obetua no is over 400 and something pounds a week we say we sure say what you say sika no na nipa na ba say near 6 months na oba any bubuja obetua na a year no pay me about 21,000 plus enti salary bishop ene we ani edija mo
papa me ba choji na ho na most people Ghana yeah ye adwuma Ghana ma amanfo no omo ma ye pay slip o
enti you start ka sa asem we be 3 years ni enti omo pese omo ye no mutie ya maye well obi wo ha o si o bitua na ka ba me di pay slip accountants o Ghana o metimi aye sa ade na ma enti eno ano na ese ne ma no so a wo de kire no aye pay slip or bank statement or contract Mr. Omenka se ko back date no but the America kire no say yes one of these things
Baba Mate because you know Ghana no muntie e kan fa account omo yisika no de abehye yensa busum bia omo de hye yensa o enti no e be reflect saying
enti no either contract of employment or pay slip sane we chia cash e allowed yeah
okay you papa you better wase ye ni remote ifo ye se nyame nhira o ni team sane mo fasi bue ya adwini mu eje nkrata ebo amamfo no we are too excited nyame nhira o da se ne ye be san hia
nyame nhira o bishop ye be kasa we jire
yo bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.